Hi guys, my name is Abhivaksh and you're watching my channel and be learning. Guys, today we are going to discuss about factor affecting steam separations. Means that what are the factor that affect the steam separation that are involved in the purity of steam, and that factor involve are in the contribution of steam quality. So let's start our video. The first factor which involve in the separation of steam is the amount of water. Amount of water is a very essential thing in the boiler, because it is it is the most important factor in the boiler, which is the level of the boiler. Boiler level should be in the range between a certain high and low range provided by the vendor. And if your water level is high, then carryover will be start, and the water droplets from the surface of water going with the steam, which will badly affect the purity of steam, and moisture of water in means that water content in steam will increase. And similarly, the low water level also affect your boiler surface. Means that if your water level is low, then the boiler surface may be damaged, may be overheat. So boiler level should be in a certain range. The quality of feed water is very important to the boiler. The feed water should be in the range of vendor design. It should not have greater TDS, or it should be in the specific range of pH. And it also involves that which type of process you are using to purify your water. Which method you will be used, it doesn't matter, but the quality of water feed to the boiler should be pure, and otherwise it will badly affect the purity of steam, and the carryover will increase. Boiler load is a very important parameter in the steam purity. If your load had variation, means that your load is increasing and decreasing, then it should badly affect the steam purity, and the carryover will increase. Operating pressure is also an important factor. If your pressure is not within the range, suppose if you are want to produce the ls steam, and ls steam is about to 9 and 10 kg per centimeter square, but you are decreasing the pressure, that it will badly affect the steam quality, and the moisture content will badly increase in the steam, which affect the steam quality and also harm your steam turbine because of high water content. Some parameters which affect the steam purity is also related to design factors. Means that riser and downcomer tubes, if the design of riser and downcomer tube is the perfect, then your water circulation will be okay. If your water circulation is okay, then your steam quality will be good. If your water circulation is bad, that circulation water is not sufficient, then the steam quality will be bad. And design of separator is also important, that which type of separator you are using. If you are using baffle type, if you are using centrifugal type, or if you are using anti priming pipe, these things also contribute to the purity of steam. uh, and the dia and length of the drum is also important. It means that the dimensions of the boiler is very important, the steam quality. You should design a boiler according to your steam production, which type of steam you want to produce. You want to produce ls, you want to produce hs, so the dimension of boiler should be within the range. And type of separator which are commonly used are baffle types, centrifugal types, anti-priming types, and mechanical coalescer types. I will show in the next slide the picture of baffle types and centrifugal types steam separator. All these steam separators are used to separate the moisture content from the steam. In the baffle types, we used the strategy of changing the direction of steam, so the heavy particle come down due to gravity, and there when high velocity steam collide with the baffles, then the inertia of the water content will break, and it will collect it from the bottom of the baffles. And similarly in centrifugal type, we are using the centrifugal force to separate the steam. As you are seeing the pictures of two separators, baffle type separator and centrifugal separator. In the picture it is clear that in baffle type separator there are we are changing the direction of steam step by step, so that the inertia of the water content break, and it will go down and collect it from the bottom of the baffle. And on the left side you are seeing that we are using centrifugal phenomena to separate this steam enter into the separator, and it will rotate, and due to rotation the droplets, according due to centrifugal force, the droplet becomes separate and the steam become pure. And we are and other topic is steam purity test. We do three steam purity test. One of them is a steam dryness test, other is non condensable gases test, and number three is a superheat test. We do the steam dryness test to know the dryness of the steam, because it is very important. If your steam is not dry, then it will badly affect your steam turbine. It will the water content will hit on the blade of the turbine and damage the steam turbine very badly. So we should conscious about the steam dryness test, and it should be on the daily basis. Number two are non-condensable gases test. We should test in our steam that there should be not a single non-condensable gases. If your system has non-condensable gases, that then non-condensable gases has no work, and they will badly affect your steam quality. And the non-condensable gases also reduce the pH of condensate. And third test is superheat test. It is very important. If you are producing a steam and it is not according to your temperature, then it will condense, and again the purity of the steam will affect. So guys, this was our lecture about the steam factor affecting steam separation and steam purity test, which I have taken from the boiler engineering subject steam past paper. And in my next video I also share the past papers and past paper questions. So thank you for watching my video.